Hello, good morning everyone. Let's begin with some of the questions based on MCQ, that is a multiple choice question on correlation and regression. So now I will take the as per your examination, what kind of the questions they are asking in exam, right? Semester end exam. We will move to one by one question now. The first question, the techniques which provides the decision maker a systematic and powerful means of analysis to explore the policies achieving the predetermined goals are called. So the correlation means it studies the relationship, right? Mathematical technique means it is take it as a algebra. None of the above is wrong. The correct answer for this question is quantitative technique. The quantitative techniques provides the decision maker, nothing but all quantitative techniques, it includes statistics also, maker systematic and powerful means of analysis of explore the policies. So these two are wrong and this one also wrong. The correct answer will be quantitative techniques. Remember, quantitative techniques. The correct answer for this question is which one? Point C. Then the next question. Correlation is second question. Question number 2. The correlation analysis is remember, the correlation analysis is univariate, bivariate, multivariate analysis, or both A, B and C, right? So first one is bivariate, means at least two variables. Multivariate means more than two. So your correlation is a study of two or more variables. Two or more variables. More variables means what? Two here, more than two. So it means two means bivariate, more than two means multivariate. Then the answer is, correct answer for this question is both B and C are correct. Then you have to write the answer for this question is this D, point number D, because B and C correct. This B and C correct. Then move to the next one. Then question number 3. For question number 3, if you see the question, if a change in one variable, results a corresponding change in the other variable. If one variable change, other variable also change, then the variable is called not correlated, not correlated, any of the above, none of the above. If a change in one variable it impact the change in other variable is called actually correlation, right? Then correct answer is correlated. It is the meaning of a correlation. Next question. Question number 4. When the variables of when the values of two variables move in the same direction, called or are said to be, if the two variables moving in the same direction, like this example, the variable 1, assume that x variable and y variable, or x variable, y variable, both are moving the same direction, we call it is positive correlation. Remember, it is called positive correlation. If both variable opposite direction, it is called a negative correlation. This one. If a non-linear means a change is not same, like this, change is not same, this one is called the linear correlation. If the same change is same, like this, the same is change. If it is same is change, then it is called linear. So the correct answer for this question is positive. Positive is the correct answer. Then the next question, that is question number 5. When the values of two variables move in the opposite direction, as I said that now the variables are not moving same direction, they are moving now opposite direction. Opposite direction means like this. One variable this side, the other variable this side, right? So both variable moving opposite direction, it is called negative correlation. So then answer is this one, point D. D is the correct answer. Move to the next one now. Question number 6. When the amount of change in the one variable leads a constant ratio change in the other variable, ratio of a change in between one variable to another variable. I think I give an example like this: 10, 20, 30, 40. Now here 10 increase. The other variable 5, 10, 15, 20. Here now 5 increase, right? So from beginning to end, the 10 increase, beginning to end 5 increase. So it is called both the side the change is same. Change means increase value 10, increase value 10. So it is called linear correlation. So the correct answer is linear. Non-linear means like this, non-linear case 10, 30, 40, 80. The difference is not same. This type of variable, say 5, 18, 20, 29. Now difference is not same. So this type of question is called non-linear. But they said the ratio is the same. Variability is the constant ratio. Constant ratio means 10 increase here. 10, 10. Here 5, 5. So constant change. It is called linear. 7th question. Dash attempts to determine the degree of relationship between the variables. Right? The dash attempts degree of relationship between the variables. So between the variables, if the degree is identified, relationship is a relationship means it is a correlation. Use this, remember this word. The relationship study is called correlation. So then answer is correlation attempts to determine the degree of relationship between the two variables. It is not regression. It is not inferential is not in your syllabus. None of these also wrong. Correct answer will be the correlation. Eighth one. Non-linear correlation is also called. What is that non-linear correlation is also called? I think I said that here. Non-linear means the ratio of same is not change. Ratio of same is not change means it is called it is also called non-curvilinear, curvilinear, zero correlation, and none of these. So non-linear correlation is what we called actually, right? Non-linear correlation is also called curvilinear. Remember, it is also called non-linear, and this one is linear. Zero correlation is a type of correlation. So this one not comes. So non-linear, one more the name for the non-linear is curvilinear correlation. The correct answer is B. Then 9th one now. Scatter diagram is also called. The scatter diagram is look like this. Or you can take it as like this. I think I given this example in the theory time also. I think all you remember this diagram. Now you think that scatter diagram is also called. If you see the three diagrams, I used here dots, so it is called dot chart. Remember, it is a dot chart. It is not a correlation graph, not A and B, none of these. The correct answer will be dot chart because it is used dots here in the diagram. In the diagram, if you see here, dots are used, so it is called dot chart. Right? The next question. Question number 10. If all the points of a scatter diagram, see points, all the points means points dots. All the dots of a scatter diagram is lie on a straight line falling from left upper corner to right upper corner, left to right upper corner, right? So like this. All the dots are coming from the left. This is left side. left side to right side corner, right? If it is move like this corner, then the correlation is called, remember, the left to right if it is moving, the left to right if it is moving is called which type of correlation? It is called left to, see the question line, straight line falling, so it is not falling, the answer question is falling, not increasing. So falling means like this. So I think that given the example like this, here left, upper left side, upper corner means this was upper left. So from here to right bottom, so this was a bottom side, right? If it is moving like this, then it is called negative. What I given example previous one, this was a left upper, the bottom left. See, bottom left, if it is moving like this to the upper right, then it is called positive correlation. It was negative correlation. The correct answer is negative. So if you see that this next question is same. If all the dots of the scatter diagram line falling from left bottom corner to right upper, so left bottom to right upper, so it is called perfect positive correlation. It was a perfect positive, bottom left to right upper, so perfect positive correlation. Next question number 12. Question number 12. Numerical measures of correlation is called numerical measure. So it is in numbers. If in number way, what we discussed in this diagram, it is called scatter diagram method. Now numbers based the correlation is called. So I think I said that types of correlation. One is graph method or graphic method. 2 is scatter diagram method. 3 is Karl Pearson. 4 is rank correlation. 5th is concurrent. So out of these two are based on graph sheet, and these 3 are numerical, right? In numerical 3, which one is the in this question numerical measure? So let's begin with one by one option. Coefficient of correlation, coefficient of determination, coefficient of non-determination, coefficient of regression. This one is not, this one is not, this one is not. Normally we solved in all the question coefficient of correlation. The numerical answer for the correlation is coefficient of correlation of Karl Pearson, coefficient of rank correlation, or coefficient of concurrent correlation. So correct answer is A, not B, C. Then move to the next one now. Question number 13. Coefficient of correlation explains. What coefficient of correlation explains? Not concentration, not depression, asymmetry. The correlation coefficient determines, explains the relationship between the variables. So the correct answer for this question is B. Clear? All you know the meaning of the correlation. Correlation is a study of relationship between 2 or more variables. Moving to question number 14 now. The coefficient of correlation lies in between. The coefficient of correlation, I think I said that your answer is -1 or +1. While solving the problem, I said many times your answer never less than never more than -1 or never more than +1. So the answer is between -2 like this, -2 +1, -1 to +1. The answer is this one, -1 to +1. This was which skewness. Skewness lies between -3 to +3, and these two are not at all comes. This was one side like this. This was 0, -1, 0, +1. So this one is the first, this one, and this one is this area, but we need the both area here. So correlation is this one. Correct answer is -1 to +1. Next number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. High degree positive correlation between variables of rainfall and weight of the people. Clear? The question is positive correlation between the availability of rainfall, one variable, and the weight of the people is y variable. So positive. Then what we call it is? So in this case, what we call it is? That is the question. A meaningless correlation, wrong. Yes, spurious correlation is also wrong. The only, if I say that, nonsense correlation is also not a one answer. But actually, if you see that the positive and negative, if you say that all are individually wrong, but for this question, all are correct. Right? All are the correct for this question. Next, number 16. If the ratio of change in one variable is equal to ratio of change in other variable, I say that 10, 20, 30, 40, change is same. If the change is same is called linear. Change is not same is called non-linear. The correct answer for this one is A for question number 16. Go to next. Seventeenth one. Number 17. Pearson's correlation coefficient is determined by or denoted by a symbol. So normally when you are finding the symbol means denoted. So correlation equal to n summation of dx dy minus summation of dx summation of dy, right? Like that we are writing the formula. So this was a symbol. So this was the correct answer. If r equal to plus 1, the correlation is said to be. If correlation is exactly 1, I said that exactly positive 1, it is called perfect correlation, perfect positive correlation, because it is plus is here. So the correct answer for this question is perfect positive. If it is a correlation equal to minus 1, then it is called perfect negative correlation. But in this case it is a positive, so the answer is perfect positive correlation. Then question number 19. If the dots in a scatter diagram fall on a narrow band, it indicates a dash degree of correlation, right? Which degree of correlation the question is. So I will repeat once again. Scatter diagram fall narrow band. So what we call it is? So it is called actually the high degree correlation. We call it is high degree correlation. Remember this word, high degree is the correct answer for this. And the next question number 20. If all the points of the dot line chart, nothing but scatter diagram. Dot line chart means what? Dot chart, nothing but scatter diagram. So the dot chart line of a straight line vertical to the x-axis is known as dot line to vertical x-axis. Vertical x-axis dot line, if it is show like that vertical, then it is called this one. This one is a vertical line. This line, if I say in the red color line, this was the line. This line is zero line. So it was, the answer is 0 in that case, right? So these are the questions based on your MCQ, right? So just all of you, just I explained you only 20. Just all you have to go through these questions 1 to 20. Properly you have to read once again and check the options. Make it your own notes. Means prepare the notes. I will ask later while taking your signature for IM marks. Right? Prepare your notes. See, this was the last question. You go through all questions out of 1 to 20. Still many questions I will solve later. For this class, 20 is enough for me because it's difficult to digest that more questions if I solve on MCQ suddenly. So slowly I will take 20 questions. If you practice more, then we'll go further. We'll increase the number of questions. Right? Thank you very much. Bye to all of you.